May I come in, ma'am?
Yes, come in. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. What is your full name?
My full name is Jaharan Javed Nakhotra, but you can call me Nakhotra because this is my nickname, and I'm quite familiar with this name.
Do you like your name?
Definitely, because it has a beautiful meaning and it means wisdom.
Is your name important to you?
Yes, of course, because it's my identity. This name represents me to the society, to the country, and to the world.
Can I see your ID, please?
Sure, ma'am. Here it is.
It is.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Kustia, but currently I'm living in Manikganj.
How old are you?
I'm currently 35.
What do you work or study?
Actually, I'm a student, sir.
What do you study?
I study English at school.
Where do you study?
I study English at Kids English Club, Manikganj.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Take care, ma'am.
Take care.